guys, and in this video I will show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. You can do this using your Android or iPhone, both are same. And don't worry, this is not a web version. I use Android emulator for your easy understanding and guidance. So follow my mouse pointer. First you have to do is, you can just tap on your profile icon in top right corner. In my case it is a 3 lines, just tap on it. You have to scroll down a little bit until you find setting and privacy. Just tap on setting and privacy, and again you have to tap on setting here. It will open setting and privacy menu. Now what you have to do is, you have to tap on see more in account center under the account center section. Okay, now you have to scroll down a little bit. Under the account settings section, you can see there's an option called personal details. Just tap on personal details. Now you can see the last option here, account ownership and control. Just tap on it, and again tap on deactivation or deletion and choose your account. In my case I like to deactivate Facebook. Okay, now you have two options. Either you can deactivate account or you can delete account. In this tutorial I am going to deactivate account, so just tap on first option and continue. And they will ask password of your account. You have to give your password for confirmed deactivation, then after continue. Then your account will be deactivated for until you log in. So I am not going to deactivate it right now. So you need to just give your password and tap on continue. If you forgot your password, you just tap on forgot password, and it will send you a confirmation code to your mobile number. Then you can add new password and do the same step for deactivate your Facebook account. So this is how you can deactivate your Facebook account, and this is a temporary process. You can just reactivate and use it when you need it. So that's all about today's video. I hope you gained some knowledge from this. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.